Right. The third term of an arithmetic sequence is 15, and the sum of the first 13 terms is 507. 507. That is, determine the nth term of the sequence. And to solve this particular question, we proceed as follows. But first things first, we note the given information that the third term of an arithmetic sequence is 15. So we explore what that means. We explore what that means. So, which means, therefore, we are dealing with Tn, which is a plus n minus 1 into d. So we're dealing with the third term, and the third term is 15. Okay, so the nth term is given by a plus n minus 1 into the common difference d. And therefore, now T3 is actually equal to 15. And we proceed to solve this problem in a step-by-step fashion. Right. To solve this particular problem, we know that T3, which is A plus, then if we have 3 minus 1 here, it becomes twice D, and this equals 15. This in turn then means that A is equal to 15 minus twice D, which is equation 1. Now, the next point is that, and the sum of the first 13 terms is 507. So we're going to deal with the sum of the first 13 terms. Right. So, but dealing with an arithmetic sequence, we know, therefore, that the summation is n over 2 into twice a plus n minus 1 into the common difference d. So that the sum of 13 terms, of the first 13 terms, n is 13 here, you have 13 out of 2 into twice a plus, okay, now you put here 13 minus 1, and you have 12d. And this sum is 507. 507. Right. Manipulating this, we have twice a plus 12d. 507 times 2 divided by 13. And if we simplify this, we have twice a plus 12d equals 78. And then this here becomes equation 2. Right, henceforth we have the following. We have that a equals 15 minus twice d is the first one. First equation. And then now, the next thing we have is that we have the second equation, which is twice a plus 12d equals 78. Twice a plus 12d is 78. So what we do here is you proceed to put 1 into 2. So which means that 2 into a, which is 15 minus twice d. Two by 15 is 30. Okay, so now you have here manipulation to do. So 12D minus 4D is actually 8D. So you have actually 8D, which equals 78 minus 30. Which means that 8D is the same as 48. Dividing both left and right by 8, we have that D equals 6. We can proceed to say part. A is 15 minus twice D. 15 minus 12. 3, so hence D is 6 and A is 3. We have that. We have this exactly. Right, so if we have these, then what do we do next? Okay, we proceed to answer the question. Sorry. The next thing now is to look at the fact that with all that information given, the sum of the first 13 terms is 507. Determine the nth term of the sequence. So, but if the third term of an arithmetic sequence is 15, we explode that, and the sum of the first 13 terms is 507. Determine the nth term of the sequence. What is the nth term? Right, so the nth term is given by, for an arithmetic sequence, Tn equals A plus into n minus 1 times D, which means Tn equals A. We've seen that A is 3. A is 3 here. N minus 1 into D, it's 6. So which means that Tn equals, so this is 6 by n, which is exactly 6n. So we have minus 6 here by plus 3, which is minus 3. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, so this is the nth term. So the nth term is 6n minus 3. Hence, right, the nth term is the T sub n, which is the, or T subscript n, which is 6n minus 3. And this is exactly the answer. Okay, let's do a check, a quick check. Is this the correct answer? So we need to check the third term would be 6 into 3 minus 3, which is 18 minus 3. What is 18 minus 3? 15. So, but we remember that indeed we said in the beginning the third term is 15. So we have got that this particular nth term is correct, because if you check by finding the third term, you can see the third term is 15, which is what the question said in the beginning, and therefore we're done. Thanks everybody for your time and attention, and goodbye to you.